Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video and a first impressions for the Sennheiser HD598Cs. These are the updated versions of the HD598s. The HD598s were open back, meaning you will get a wider soundstage and a little bit less bass, but the C stands for closed. These are the closed back, meaning sound won't leak out the bass. For songs such as EDM songs and hip hop, you'll get a more fuller sounding bass, and in my opinion, that's what you should be going for. Plus, when you wear them in public, you won't be annoying other people around you with your music. And another good thing is you won't be able to hear them talk to you. So if you have these things on, it's usually the universal sign of don't talk to me whenever people have headphones on. So let's get this thing unboxed. Typical, this is a refurbished model from Amazon, sold straight from Sennheiser, so it's a Sennheiser refurbished job. It's not like a third-party refurb. There were only a few of them available as a refurb, straight from Sennheiser. These costed $120, which is $50 cheaper than the standard buy 'em new. Okay, I was able to be smarter than the box. It only took me a little bit, but I got it. This little tab went through here. So when you open it up, you'll be greeted with your headphones right here. Let's get these out. Nice presentation, and they are well protected within the box. They're lined with foam. And here are the headphones themselves. Not a lot of rotation this way. Not very flexible in that regard, but very extendable. So if you got a big head, don't worry, these will probably fit you. So that is the headphones themselves. And within the box, you get two cables. This is a 1.2 meter. Yes, a 1.2 meter, 3.5 millimeter cord, and it has an inline mic right here, which will allow you to listen to phone calls and be able to talk to people through the headset. And then this is a 3 meter cable, which is a 6.3 millimeter plug for more of the high-tech audio people out there. These are definitely audiophile headphones, so people want to hook these up into a different interface to get higher quality audio, but I will be mainly using this to listen to music through a computer or cell phone or something like that, and I would imagine that's what most people are going to be using these for. So you get those two cables in the box, and that is it. Keep in mind this is a refurbished box, so you're not going to get all the manuals and stuff like that that would normally come inside of a new box. But the trade-off is it's way cheaper. So that is the full unboxing experience of these headphones. Here are all the things that come within the box right here laid out for you. So I am going to plug these in and give them a listen, and I will let you know how they sound and if they are worth the $120 price tag that Sennheiser is charging for the refurb models. So I will be back in a bit. All right, we're back, and I've gotten the chance to listen to a bunch of different songs with these headphones on, and I'm ready to give my opinions on it. So first things first, we'll talk about the comfort of these headphones. In terms of comfortability, these are some of the most comfortable headphones that I've ever put on. They're lightweight, but they're not too lightweight where they feel cheap. The materials are definitely, they feel premium, especially up here in the headband. The headband material is fantastic. You could leave these on your head all day and it won't hurt your ears. The top of your head where the headband sits won't start to feel sore or whatever. I can confidently say that in terms of comfortability, these things are A1. The expandability of them is great. I have a kind of middle-sized head, so fitting these on my head was no problem whatsoever. Putting the cable in is very easy. You just slide it in and then you rotate it a little bit to lock it in place. So right now I'm pulling on it and this thing is not going to come out. It's locked in there. That can either be a good or bad thing. If you accidentally catch your leg on the wire or something, it's going to yank the headphones off and it might do damage to the port here, but with how short this cable is, I don't think you're going to have to worry about that too much. But onto the thing that people truly care about, which is the sound quality of these things. These are Sennheisers after all, and they're over $100. So what kind of sound quality is $120 going to get you? Or $170, depending on if you get them brand new or refurbished. I got the refurbished version. In terms of sound quality, if you use these without an equalizer, you're going to be disappointed, in my opinion. It is great in bringing out the mids and the highs. They sound fantastic. Mids and highs are... I'm blown away by these when it comes to the mids and the highs. When it comes to the lows and the bass, that is where these are lacking. You will need an equalizer on your phone or on your computer to truly bring out the true potential of these headphones. I hooked them up into my MacBook, which uses iTunes and has an equalizer, and I messed with the EQ a little bit, and once I got the bass to where I wanted it, these things are fantastic. These things are easily worth the $120 that you get charged for on Amazon. They're easily better than the Bose wired headphones that I have, and they are easily better than the QC35-2s, which I have, but those are noise canceling and those are wireless Bluetooth. They really can't be compared. But in terms of sound quality, absolutely A+, A1, all around, but you have to have an equalizer put on. You got to turn that thing on, otherwise your bass is not going to come through as loud and punchy. I listen to a lot of metal, heavy metal, and EDM, and so those songs, you want the power of that bass coming through, and with stock settings and no EQ turned on, these will not perform the way that you would want or that I would want. So, but once you mess with the EQ and are able to bring out all of those mids and lows, these things are easily the best over-ear headphones that I have used so far. It just depends on whether you're willing to fork up $120 or $170. But from what I've read online, these headphones go on sale all the time. Prices fluctuate with these quite frequently. They have sales on them from what I've read, but I just saw that a pair of refurbished headphones popped up on Amazon, and I figured I would jump on it due to the good things I've read about them and heard about them. So, would I recommend them is I guess the overarching question here. Would I recommend these to anyone? And that's a resounding yes. Mids and highs are basically perfect. They sound clear. You can hear all the instruments. Everything sounds fantastic. Vocals sound very good. It's just that you're going to have to tweak with the EQs a little bit to get those lows to really come through. And when they come through, you can really feel them in your ears. These things are fantastic once you get the right settings. So that is my verdict on the Sennheiser HD 598Cs. I recommend getting the Cs just because they're closed back and people won't be hearing your music, and all the sound will be contained within your ears, so you can hear everything come through in crystal clear quality. So that's it for this unboxing and kind of mini review. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and a sub. It is really appreciated. But other than that, as always, have a good day.